Did you know your iPhone can do this? Let me show you 5 crazy iPhone tricks in under 60 seconds. Let's go. Need to text with one hand? Hold the emoji icon, shift the keyboard to one side, and now you're good to go, one-handed mode unlocked. Struggling with text selection? Just double tap to select a word, or triple tap to select the whole sentence. Easy. Moving apps one by one is old news. Tap and hold an app, then use another finger to select multiple apps. Move them all at once like a boss. Stop scrolling for emojis. Just swipe through the emoji bar to find the perfect one faster. Swipe and go. Want your wallpaper to fit perfectly? Edit the picture, crop it the way you want, and then set it. Perfect wallpaper every time. That's it, 5 iPhone tricks you need to try right now. Like, follow, share, and subscribe my channel for more tech tips.